Are you tired of trying everything and still you're not seeing results? Well, let me shock you today. This simple treatment starts showing results in just weeks. Using this treatment, your hair will get longer, fuller, and healthier faster than everything you have ever tried. So stay with me because I will show you exactly how to make it, how to use it, so that you can finally see results faster. Do you agree with me that growing your hair is not that difficult? The most difficult part of it is length retention. To know how you can retain those growths you have gotten. So on this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you to retain more length in a way that you can see visible results faster on your hair growth journey. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss that important information. It will help you a whole lot. Our first ingredient on today's recipe is rosemary. I'm using dry one, so if you have fresh one, you can also make use of it. Rosemary have helped thousands of women out there to grow their hair to their heart desire and to solve their hair problems, and it's still helping more people to achieve their hair goals and also to solve their hair problems. Incorporating rosemary on your hair regimen, you will never regret it because rosemary have very powerful properties that will help you to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, improve healthy hair growth, give you that faster hair, stop itching scalp, dandruff, hair fall, hair breakage, and help you to retain a lot of length. Okay, so using rosemary on your hair regimen is a must try and is something that you never ever regret of. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Our second ingredient is cloves, and I'm using powder cloves. Guys, I have discovered that using powder cloves is more powerful, more effective, and more strong than using clove balls. So if you are looking for a way to see faster results with your cloves, crush it into a powder form and you will never regret it. It's a whole different, it's more faster, more effective, and more potent. Give it a try and let me know your results, okay? Cloves are another powerful remedy that will help you to grow your hair super fast, stop hair fall, hair breakage, give you that healthy hair, and stimulate blood flow faster on your hair. Cloves contain vitamins and minerals and is very important in our hair. But a lot of people are complaining that cloves breaks off their hair, dry off their hair because they are not using it in a right way. If you know the proper way to use cloves, you will never regret it. So using it with other ingredients in this recipe is one of the way you can use cloves for best results. But there's more tip on it to achieve more best results. So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my powder cloves. Our third ingredient is onion. I'm using 1 medium size of my purple onion. I know that a lot of people know that onion is very powerful in growing hair, but they are not using it because of the offensive smell of onion. But believe me, using onion on your hair is the best decision you can ever take. Onion is very powerful. When I mean powerful, very powerful for promoting faster hair growth, crazy faster hair growth, darken your hair, give you that natural shine, stopping hair fall, hair breakage, and give you that healthy hair you can ever think of. So if the smell of onion is the reason why you're not using onion, worry no more. This recipe with onion will never smell, will never perceive any onion smell in this recipe, and you still get that best results you're supposed to achieve in onion. This recipe is very powerful, very potent, and super effective. Like as I said earlier, if your hair have not been growing, you have tried a lot of things, they are not working for you, this particular remedy, this particular treatment is for you. It will be a whole game changer for you. This particular remedy is a prayer answer to you. I mean it when I said it, okay? So after putting all these ingredients together, I slice my onion and I make use of roughly 2 tablespoons of my onion, okay? Next thing, I pour in hot water to infuse it. As usual, I so much love infused method than boiling method. So you can choose to do boiling method, you can choose to do infused method. After infusing it for 12 hours, my recipe is ready to be used. Guys, this recipe will help you so much to grow dye your hair, stop hair fall, hair breakage, and help you to see faster results as possible as 7 days. Yes, as possible as 7 days. If you can use it the way I will direct you on this video, you will see a huge difference on your hair. But warning, if you are not ready for that bush faster hair growth, don't ever prepare this recipe, okay? So I will need a help of bowl and my shift cloth to collect my powerful treatment. After then, I will transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Now, the most important part of it is how to use this treatment to activate that massive result. So you need to pay close attention to see the best way to use this powerful, simple, effective treatment for that massive hair growth. The year is about to come to an end. If you can follow the instruction of this recipe before ending of this year, it will give you that faster result you have never seen on your hair, and also your hair will be very, very healthy than ever. So please make sure you pay close attention to get the proper way to use it for that best result. There are different ways you can use this treatment to see faster hair growth to solve your hair problems, but I will share with you the most powerful way, the most potent way, and the most effective way to use this recipe to get that crazy faster hair growth to solve your hair problems like never before. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to use it on a clean scalp. Don't ever use this treatment on a dirty hair. If you have been believing that dirty hair can grow your hair, is a wrong belief. Dirty hair can never grow your hair. Hair grows from a clean scalp, a healthy scalp, okay? So dirty hair is not a healthy scalp, and also is not a clean scalp. So your hair can never grow while the hair is dirty. But in this particular treatment, make sure you wash your hair, your scalp, and your strand of hair is super clean before you can apply the treatment on your hair for that best result. I repeat, for that best results, use it on a clean hair and also on a clean scalp. Another thing you need to do to achieve that faster crazy result is to use it as your leave-in treatment. Don't ever wash this particular recipe out of your hair unless on your wash days. So use it as your weekly treatment, okay, to achieve that crazy result. So after applying the treatment on your hair, the most important step you need to follow is to massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very, very important in this recipe because scalp massage make the treatment more effective and more powerful, okay? So another thing you need to do again after applying it on your hair, make sure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Don't apply the treatment without moisturizing your hair with your leave-in conditioner or your hair butter, then you can see in with oil. And also do not apply the treatment just after applying it you follow up with only oil. Oil can never see in the moisture, so the best thing that can see in the moisture so that the treatment can sit on your hair for a very long period of time and for you to see that good result is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, okay, or your hair butter, then it can follow up with your oil. These steps are very, very important in this treatment so that you can achieve that crazy hair growth before ending of this year, and you start seeing results as faster as 7 days. There's no joke, okay? So use it weekly 2 to 3 times. It can also go as mind of using it as 4 times, okay? Depend on how long you want to moisturize your hair. Consistent of using this from now to December, your hair will be very thick for you to handle. Your hair will be very thick for you to comb, and your hair will be very, very healthy. No more breakage, no more hair fall, no more thinning hair. Believe me when I say this. Just try to be consistent with it and you will never ever regret it, okay? You can also add this, okay, by covering up your hair, because if you cover up your hair to help your blood flow to increase, okay, and which may lead to more healthy hair and more faster hair growth. Just cover up your hair 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. After then, remove your shower cap or whatsoever, allow your hair to air dry. Just repeat this whenever you treat your hair with this treatment, and believe me, the result will leave you speechless, okay? I can't wait to hear from you guys when you try the treatment, because I know that this treatment is very, very powerful, very, very effective, and very, very potent. So the bonus I said I will share with you guys that will help you to retain length, because growing your hair is not a problem. You can also be using the treatment on your hair the way I direct to you, and you get a lot of growth, but you can retain the length. Okay, so there are different ways it can retain length, but I only share one. So on my next video I'll also share the next one for you guys. Okay, so one of the way it can retain length is try to wear protective hairstyles. Protective hairstyle is not just putting your hair in a braid like with extension or crochet or Ghana braid or Ghana weaving. Don't do that. Protective hairstyle I means is mini braid, mini twins, cornrows, flat twins. Okay, that's the protective hairstyle that can help you to retain length without extension. Okay, there are many things that will help you to retain length. Believe me, I will let you guys know on my next video. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not joined this beautiful family, please do where to click on that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop amazing video like this. Believe me, you will never regret being part of this amazing family. Okay, and welcome to this family. Also help me to like this video, share the video. It helps the growth of the channel and also encourage me a lot to bring out more great content for you guys. Okay, so guys, I'll come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover, or please feel free to let me know in comment section below, and believe me, I'll be very happy to hear from you guys in comment section below. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.